Hi.
Hi guys.
Hi guys.
It's Everlee.
It's Mommy. Today I'm gonna hairstyle instead and see that's Momo. Where's the Santa Momo?
What hairstyle are you gonna do today?
Let's do Daddy. Okay?
You're gonna make me look like Daddy?
Yeah.
Oh, great. Wow, that's how Daddy looks?
Yeah.
Oh, like a princess?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Okay. Give me this one for you.
What are you doing? Twisting it?
Let's do a spray.
Oh, an ELSA braid. My favorite.
Help please, Mom?
Huh?
Help
Help you what?
my braid.
Okay, hold it. You putting the bow in? Mm-hmm. Okay. You just open it like this. See?
Okay.
Where do you want it? Right here? There we go!
Okay.
My ELSA braid. Let it go, let it go. That's our video. If you like our ELSA braid, press like, subscribe. Put down in the comments below how you liked Everlee pulling my hair out and giving me the ELSA braid. Anything you want to say, Everlee? All right, bye-bye.
Bye.